In this video, we will show the installation of the WD Electronics Fang lights for 2025 and newer Polaris RZR Pro models, RZR Pro S, RZR Pro XP, and RZR Pro R. For a guided installation of the entire RZR Pro turn signal kit, please refer to the video linked here and in the description. Remove the grill by turning the two rotating locks and sliding it free. Start on the driver's side. Remove the three 11mm twist-on nuts from the back side of the factory Fang light. There is one nut on the bottom, middle, and top of each housing. Pull the housing out from the bumper and disconnect the factory wiring harness by depressing the locking tab and sliding the wiring free. Locate the driver's side WD Fang light with the extra yellow wire. Connect the factory wiring harness to the housing. Feed the yellow wire through the opening in the bumper and push the housing into place. Reinstall the three factory twist-on nuts on the back side to secure the housing in place. Repeat the same steps to remove the passenger's side Fang light and install the new Fang light with the green wire. Unwrap the Fang light harness with the 4-pin connector and the two single-pin connectors. Start behind the passenger's side headlight and feed both ends with the single-pin connector behind the headlight housing, following the wiring for the factory Fang lights. Inside of the grill opening, locate the ends of the harness near the headlight and pull them through. Locate the side of the harness labeled driver's side near the connector. Route this side across the top of the grill opening to the driver's side light. Connect the harness to the mating connector on the yellow wire on the driver's side housing. Verify that the connectors are snapped together fully. Double the longer black side of the harness back across the top of the grill opening and connect it to the mating connector on the green wire at the passenger's side Fang light housing. Secure the wiring away from any hot or moving components with zip ties. Follow factory wiring as closely as possible. Route the 4-pin connector on the other end of the wiring harness over the passenger's front shock absorber, following the factory wiring toward the firewall. Route the end of the harness through the rubber grommet on the passenger side of the firewall. Inside the machine, route the harness across the dashboard and connect it to the mating connector on the control module. Secure any excess length of wiring underneath the dashboard. Now it's time to reassemble and test out your lights. To ask us installation-related questions or to order a premium turn signal kit, please visit wdelectronics.com.